Hey everybody, welcome back to Content Outside. I'm out here at Bull Shoals Lake, Peel Ferry. It's my first time here. I've never been here before. I hope that if you don't like motorcycle riding, maybe you'll check out some of the other videos. I'm not sure how all this footage is going to turn out, but it has been a gorgeous day to be riding in the Ozarks. Hey, thank you guys for sharing and subscribing. It really helps. I've seen a lot of growth so far on the channel. We're up to almost 100 subs. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. All right, guys, we're getting ready to board Peel Ferry. It's just getting ready to come in to dock now, so probably another 10 minutes or so. All right, well, we're about to be off back to the side of the lake that we started on, and just had a good visit with the guys here at the ferry and talked about their schedule and everything. So they've got 2 different crews down here, and they'll work 3 days one week, 4 days the next. I think he said 13-hour days, so these guys are hard at it. I sure appreciate what they're doing for me. So it's a good time. Get a chance to come down here, you might say hello and just enjoy the trip. All right, it sounds like the boys are getting close. So I'm meeting a couple of friends out here, Dakota, and also Colt. They should be here any minute, hopefully. They've been riding for a little while, and I don't think either of them go on very long trips. One of them just got his motorcycle, so I'm sure their hands are sore, backs, necks, other parts of their body, if you know what I mean. But anyhow, see what happens. Good looking bike. What do you think? Pretty good ride, huh?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah?
That was a lot better than I, at first I thought it was going to be all highway.
Yeah.
And we got on the side and I was like, oh dude, that's beautiful.
Are you guys thirsty?
You know, I could drink something.
Yeah?
He called me like probably, what, we had like
hey, dude.
30 minutes left? Something like that. He's like, hey, he's like, my legs are killing me, dude.
Yeah?
I was like, all right, we'll start at the next gas station we see. We did not see a gas station.
Both gas stations.
Did we pass 2 of them?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I broke my mount on the way down here, so I had to zip tie
Oh yeah?
my mount on, yeah.
That's a cool bike.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I was
How'd
gonna
it
say,
do? Pretty
it's-
good?
It's doing okay. I'm loading up a little bit on fuel. I'm not sure if I've got a sensor that's not reading right or what's going on, but it's been setting for almost a decade, so. if they're open.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Sorry. I'll put a thing, I'll put a bag on it.
Lift this up.
Yeah. You might be able to pull up and just
Yeah.
see if it's not the pump and, you know, just make sure if I'm out.
Yeah. You want me to move out of your way?
Sure.
Just double check it. Cause see, it should be going like that. I'll go get it back.
Oh my gosh. That's the bad thing about these heavy bikes, man. I'm gonna need help to get it up too. Hey, there's two types of LT riders. Those that drop their bikes and those that lie about it. They weigh 1,000 pounds. All right, hang on like this. Back up to it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Cool. Yeah, as soon as it started going, I knew I was done for. Can you throw my stand down so I can?
Yeah.
It's pretty embarrassing, but it is what it is.
No, it happens.
That's why they make these crash bumpers on the sides. They literally fall over all the time.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got on this.
Hey, I didn't see it, so.
Good. I did. All right. Yeah, it's no big deal. It's got a few scratches on it. I was trying to make that corner.
Did gravel get you or?
Yeah, it's just, they're super heavy, dude. Literally in the forums they say that everybody drops them. I never dropped this one, but once it starts going over.
Drop this one.